Hello, my friends, and welcome back to BreakFree English. I'm Eric, and I'm so excited you are here today. In today's episode, I will talk about something really fun. I will talk about learning English from movies and TV shows. Yes, you can learn English while watching Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube. Sounds amazing, right? In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words and I repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat after me. So, are you ready? Grab your favorite drink, sit back, relax, and let's begin together. All right. Learning English from textbooks is good, but learning English from movies is better. Why? Because movies are fun. Movies are interesting. Movies make you happy. And when you are happy, you learn better. Your brain remembers more when you enjoy something. Think about it. When you watch a movie, you see real English. You hear how people really talk. You see their faces. You see their emotions. You understand the meaning not just from words, but from everything. The music, the pictures, the feelings. This is called context. Context helps you understand. In a textbook, you read, "Hello, how are you?" But in a movie, you see two friends meeting. One friend smiles. The other friend looks tired. One says, "Hey, how are you?" The other says, "I'm okay, just tired." You understand everything. The words, the feeling, the situation. This is real English. Movies also teach you culture. Culture means how people live, how they think, how they act. When you watch American movies, you learn about American culture. When you watch British shows, you learn about British culture. You learn what is polite, what is funny, what is normal. This is very important for speaking English well. And here's the best part. You are already watching movies and TV shows, right? Maybe you watch them in your language. Maybe you watch them with subtitles. So why not use this time to learn English? You don't need extra time. You just need to watch in a smart way. And today, I will show you how. Okay, so you want to learn English from movies. But which movie should you watch? This is very important. If you choose a difficult movie, you will feel confused. You will feel tired. You will give up. So let's talk about how to choose the right movie or TV show for your level. Tip number 1. Start with cartoons or children's movies. I know you are not a child. But listen, children's movies use simple English. The words are easy. The sentences are short. The stories are clear. This is perfect for beginners. Movies like Finding Nemo, Toy Story, Frozen, or The Lion King are excellent. They use everyday English. They repeat important words, and they are fun to watch. Tip number 2. Choose TV shows, not movies. Why? Because TV shows have episodes. Episodes are short, usually 20 to 40 minutes. You can watch one episode today, another episode tomorrow. You don't need to watch for 2 hours. Also, TV shows use the same characters. The same people appear again and again. So you learn how they speak. You get used to their voices. You understand them better. Good TV shows for learning English are Friends, How I Met Your Mother, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, The Office, and Modern Family. These shows are about everyday life. People talk about normal things: work, family, friends, love, problems. This is the English you need. Tip number 3. Choose something you love. This is the most important tip. If you love superheroes, watch Spider-Man or The Avengers. If you love magic, watch Harry Potter. If you love romance, watch romantic movies. When you love the story, you want to watch more. You want to understand. You don't give up. Love makes learning easy. Tip number 4, check the difficulty level. Some movies are too fast. Some use difficult words. Some have strong accents. Before you start, watch 5 minutes. Can you understand some words? Can you follow the story a little? If yes, great. If no, choose something easier. There is no shame in starting easy. Easy is smart. Now you know which movie to watch. But how do you watch? You can't just watch like before. You need a method. You need a plan. Don't worry, it's simple. Let me show you step by step. Step number 1. First time. Watch with subtitles in your language. Yes, your language. Not English yet. Why? Because first, you need to understand the story. You need to know what is happening. Who are the people? What is the problem? What happens at the end? When you understand the story, the second time is easier. You can focus on the English, not the story. Step number 2, second time. Watch with English subtitles. Now you know the story. So this time, watch with English subtitles. English words on the screen. Now you can see the words you are hearing. You can read and listen at the same time. This is very powerful. Your eyes see the word. Your ears hear the word. Your brain connects them. This helps you remember. When you watch with English subtitles, don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's okay. Just try to catch some words. Try to understand the main idea. Little by little, you will improve. Step number 3, write down new words. Keep a notebook next to you, or use your phone. When you hear a new word, write it down. But don't write too many words. Maybe 5 words per episode. Just the words you hear again and again. The important words. Later, you can look up these words. You can practice them. You can use them. For example, in Friends, you will hear the word guys many times. Hey guys. Come on guys. You guys are crazy. This is how Americans talk to friends. Write it down. Practice it. Use it. Step number 4, repeat sentences out loud. This is my favorite step. When you hear a sentence you like, pause the video. Then say the sentence out loud. Copy the actor. Copy their voice, their speed, their emotion. Do this 5 times, 10 times. This is how you practice pronunciation. This is how you sound more natural. For example, if someone in the movie says, I don't know what to do, you pause, then you say, I don't know what to do. Again, I don't know what to do. Again, I don't know what to do. Feel the emotion. Speak like the actor. This is fun and very effective. Step number 5, third time, watch without subtitles. After you watch 2 times, try one more time. But this time, no subtitles. Nothing on the screen. Just listen. Just watch. How much can you understand now? I think you will be surprised. You will understand much more than before. This shows your progress. This shows you are learning. You don't need to do all these steps in one day. You can watch the same episode 3 times in 1 week. Monday with your language subtitles. Wednesday with English subtitles. Friday without subtitles. Slow is okay. Slow is good. Now let me tell you some common mistakes that people make when learning English from movies. If you avoid these mistakes, you will learn faster and better. Mistake number 1, choosing movies that are too difficult. Some students say, Eric, I want to watch Inception, or The Matrix, or Game of Thrones. These are great movies and shows, but they are very difficult. They use complex words. They use special vocabulary. They speak very fast. If you are a beginner, you will feel lost. You will feel frustrated. Start with easier content first. Later, you can watch difficult movies. Mistake number 2, watching without a plan. If you just watch movies like normal, you will not learn much. You need to be active. You need to focus. You need to write things down. You need to repeat. Learning is not passive. Learning is active. So make a plan and follow it. Mistake number 3, trying to understand every single word. This is impossible. Even native speakers don't know every word in a movie. If you stop the movie every 5 seconds to check a word, you will feel tired. You will lose interest. Instead, try to understand the main idea. Try to understand the story. The details will come later with practice. Mistake number 4, only watching once. One time is not enough. You need to watch the same content multiple times. The first time, you understand maybe 30%. The second time, maybe 50%. The third time, maybe 70%. Repetition is the key. Repetition makes things easy. Repetition builds your skill. Mistake number 5, forgetting to have fun. Learning is important, but fun is important too. If watching movies feels like homework, you will stop. So choose movies you enjoy. Laugh, cry, feel excited. Enjoy the story. Learning should feel good, not like work. Let me give you some specific recommendations. These are movies and TV shows that are perfect for English learners at different levels. For A1 beginners, start with these. Very simple, very clear. Peppa Pig. Yes, it's for children, but perfect for learning. Finding Nemo, Toy Story, Frozen, The Lion King. These use basic vocabulary. The characters speak clearly. The stories are easy to follow. For a 2 learners, you can try these. A little more difficult, but still good. Friends, one of the best for learners. How I Met Your Mother, Modern Family, The Incredibles, Harry Potter, and the Philosopher's Stone. These shows and movies use everyday English. The conversations are natural. You will learn phrases you can use in real life. For B1 learners, now you can watch more types of content. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, The Office, Forrest Gump, The Devil Wears, Prada, The Big Bang Theory. These have more complex conversations. They use idioms and expressions. They speak at a normal speed. Special recommendation: YouTube channels that teach English through movies. There are many YouTube channels that explain movies in English. They show you clips from movies. They explain the words. They teach you phrases. Some good channels are Learn English with TV series, English with Lucy, and Rachel's English. These are very helpful. Remember, this is just a guide. You can watch anything you enjoy. The best movie is the one you love watching. Let me tell you why this method is so powerful. Why learning from movies works so well. First, movies give you real English. Not textbook English, but real English. How people actually talk. With emotions, with slang, with natural rhythm. When you learn from textbooks, you learn grammar and vocabulary. That's good. But when you learn from movies, you learn how to use that grammar and vocabulary in real situations. Second, movies train your ear. Listening is one of the hardest skills in English. But when you watch movies again and again, your ear gets stronger. You start to recognize words. You start to understand different accents. You start to catch fast speech. This takes time, but movies make it fun. Third, movies build your confidence. When you can understand a movie in English, you feel proud. You feel strong. You think, wow, I can do this. I can understand English. This confidence helps you speak more. It helps you try more. It helps you learn more. Fourth, movies teach you culture. Culture and language are connected. When you understand culture, you understand the language better. You understand jokes. You understand why people say certain things. You understand what is appropriate and what is not. This makes you a better English speaker. And finally, movies are fun. This is the most important point. When learning is fun, you don't give up. You keep going. You watch one episode, then another, then another. You don't even realize you are studying. You are just enjoying yourself. And that's when real learning happens. So don't feel guilty about watching movies. You are not wasting time. You are learning. You are improving. You are becoming a better English speaker. Be proud of yourself. All right, you have made it to the end of this episode. You now know how to learn English from movies and TV shows. You know which movies to choose. You know how to watch them. You know the mistakes to avoid. And you know this method really works. So here's what I want you to do. Today, right now, choose one movie or one TV show. Just one. Start with episode 1 or the first 20 minutes of a movie. Watch it with your language subtitles. Then tomorrow, watch the same thing with English subtitles. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Have fun. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't have to be hard. It can be fun. It can be enjoyable. Movies can be your teacher. Netflix can be your classroom. And you can learn while having a great time. I'm Eric, and this is Break Free English. Thank you for listening today, and thank you for being part of this journey. Now go watch some movies, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Break free from fear. Break free from limits. Break free with English. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.